Alright, so the shelter for the night is up. Yes, I'm using the military pump tent. If all else fails and the whole night just sucks bad, I can always just drop it and then put the hammock up. So plan B is hammock. As you can see, I'm using the hammock straps with a big climbing rated carabiner. I got the idea for this from Matt, the old Florida boy. He used a paracord ridgeline and just tied a Prusik knot on here and then lifted it up that way and then pulled it tight with the Prusik. So this is sort of a lazy man's variation. I used the hammock strap with the big carabiner, which I can lock. Not that I'm not worried about it, and I'll just leave the cord here dangling because I could have just set it up traditionally, but I was trying to avoid using the poles, but I ended up using them anyway to support the center. I felt like it was hanging down too far. I was hoping to get a little bit lower to the ground, but at this point I'm kind of just tired of fiddling with it, so I'll just run with it, see what happens. As you saw, I swept out majority of the junk, and I'll just crawl in tonight. I got the ground sheet here, and then the puffy blanket here, and if I get cold, I've got the fleece down there, so I'll just layer my blankets. So when I go to bed, all I gotta do is grab the sheet, throw it in, and then, oh, I need my air mattress. I gotta air that up, which is in the backpack, along with my other junk strewn about. I pick all that up at some point, plus my pillow right there for comfort. And then I got the Snug Pack jungle blanket right here, just in case the two other blankets fail. I'll have a third blanket just throw over top me. It was a little chilly yesterday. Wasn't terrible, but I did notice the chill. So there we go. You know, I'm not soloing it this weekend. I'm out here with my buddy. I spent the night last night in the hammock because it was quick to set up. Then tonight I'll use the pup tent because I actually haven't officially slept in it yet. Set it up, but haven't slept in it. So tonight we're gonna try sleeping in it. I'll air up my mattress. Excuse me. And then get it ready. It should be easy just to slide everything in, crawl in and lay down. So, piece of cake, GG. Good morning. As you can see, the pup tent is down and the hammock is back up. I crawled in last night and I was laying there and I just couldn't get comfortable. I tried this angle, that angle, laid on my back, laid on my stomach, laid on my side, laid on the other side. It just wasn't happening. So I decided I'm just going to become a full-time hammock camper. The ground has ruined me. As soon as I crawled in the hammock, I was just so much more comfortable. It was ridiculous. So I think I'm just going to devote the rest of my camping to hammock. I don't know if I can go back to ground. Maybe it's just, I don't know, maybe it's my weight, but who knows. I didn't even use a tarp. I just strung up the hammock, put on the underquilt. Now it was kind of cold last night, so what I ended up doing is I broke out the Snug Pack jungle blanket and I put that over me, and then I put the other one. Why can't I never remember that name? Oh, the get out gear. The down puffy blanket. I put that over that, and then I put the fleece. So yeah, I tripled up. I put the fleece on up over that. And because you're in a hammock, everything is condensed down in there. And man, I was toasty warm. Hammock had no problems underneath. Hammock, the underquilt kept me my underside just fine. So no issues. So I don't think I'm going to be using a tent or ground camping anymore. It's just not as comfortable. So yeah. Well, alrighty, pretty much packed up. Just a couple more things to go to the car, but we're pretty much out of here. Good times. It's been an interesting weekend. A couple things happened that hasn't happened before, but it's all good. We rolled with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.